Hey y'all, Josh here with the Sauna Place. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the HUUM Flow Mini LS, a new and super efficient, eco-friendly, wood-burning sauna stove perfect for the modern sauna enthusiast. This is one of the newer models in the Flow line, which also includes the Flow and the Flow LS, which we'll do separate videos on. This box includes the HUUM Flow Mini LS, a metal grate for the sauna stone, installation and operation manual, heat-resistant glove for handling the stove safely, splints, metal fixing plates, ash grate, cleaning hatches, and ash drawer. Firstly, I'd like to bring attention to the compact and modern design of this heater. It'll still fit smaller saunas, but it'll give you robust heat performance during your sauna session. I know it's hard to tell over video, but after unboxing this and handling a little bit, I can tell you that it's a very sturdy sauna, which is really going to help with even heat distribution and longevity of your sauna heater. Another detail I really appreciate is the large viewing window, which is really adding to the atmosphere of your sauna session because it'll let you watch the fire as you enjoy your sauna, which I find very relaxing. Now let's talk about the biggest feature of the Flow line series of heaters, and that is how environmentally friendly and efficient they are. This model here only releases 686 milligrams per square cubic meter of carbon monoxide, while the larger Flow series heaters only release about 346 milligrams per square cubic meter compared to competitors which are at or above 1000 milligrams per square cubic meter of carbon monoxide. Essentially, that dictates the efficiency of the combustion of the heater. So really, the lower the number, the better. For example, 75% of the heat that's generated by this heater is going to go directly into your sauna instead of escaping through your chimney. This also means you'll need to burn less wood to get the same or better results than other wood stove sauna heaters on the market. This sauna comes with a cage that'll hold 231 pounds of sauna stones, with an optional rock cage that'll add about 77 to 88 pounds of sauna rocks. What this will do is ensure that even if your fire dies, you'll still have another half hour or so of your sauna session. So overall, this heater has a very low environmental impact. It's very efficient in burning wood and has super low emissions compared to anything else really on the market right now. So that's going to give you a super clean burn while also maintaining really good air quality within your sauna while you're enjoying your sauna. If the material of your sauna floor is combustible, HUUM does offer some safety plates. So this gives it a little more flexibility about where you can place the heater, as well as obviously making it just safer to use your heater in your sauna. When you install this heater, you need to make sure you're following all local codes, as well as making sure you have proper ventilation and proper distance from any combustible materials that would be in your sauna. Another thing I've learned from personal experience is that if you're going to use a wood-burning sauna stove, you have to make sure you use it once outside before you bring it into your sauna. The reason being is there's a lot of oil and paint buildup during the manufacturing process, and you want to make sure you burn all that off outside before you bring it into your sauna. I've made that mistake before, and there's nothing less relaxing than opening a sauna door only to be greeted by a bunch of smoke. So overall, very, very easy sauna to use. The door and the ash drawer are super easy to manipulate and clean. This sauna heater also comes with a few different chimney options, so you can have a chimney that goes straight out through the ceiling or one that comes out through a wall. You also have optional heat plates, so you can really make sure that wherever you install it, you're installing it the safest way possible. Overall, the Flow Mini LS and the Flow series in general are some of the most efficient and clean burning wood sauna stoves on the market. They come with a 5-year warranty, so if any problems do arise during use, you'll be covered. When installing, please refer to the owner's manual, as we don't want you to miss anything important that might be relevant to your specific sauna. As always, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at the Sauna Place, and have a saunerific day.